Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to share a simple tip on how to make use of extra branches in Heartopia. Branches are very easy to get, so much of the time we end up with too many of them in our inventory. And if you just leave them there, they can almost fill up your backspace. But don't delete them. Instead you can just turn those extra branches into something much more useful, like repair kits. Here's what you need to do. Just go to do just go to your workbench, and then next just create repair kit like this, and then next just use your extra branches as the material and craft them into repair kits like this. Just make it much as you like. For example, like this, and then next just simply tap on craft like this, and your branches will be decreased like this. You will see the branches will be decreased like this, and it will turn into more useful item. That repair kits are very important because they help restore the durability of your tools, and since tools are used over and over again, you will definitely need a lot of repair kits in the long run. And so instead of wasting your branches, just convert them and save your inventory space while preparing for future repairs. And okay, maybe that's it for this quick tip. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you!